In this video, I will be showing you how soccer balls are made. The first step is creating the outer cover. The raw materials used for the outer cover are synthetic leathers, usually polyurethane, and a foam or cloth material. The foam is cut using the die cutting process into distinct hexagonal and pentagonal shapes. Cheaper balls have less layers of foam, while more expensive, sturdier balls have more layers. Next, part of the synthetic leather material is taken and imprinted with whatever logo or design is required. This is done using a silk screening process which paints the panels with a fast-drying paint. After that has dried, the sheets of synthetic leather are taken and also cut using the die casting process into hexagonal and pentagonal shapes. While this is happening, the panels of foam are painted with an adhesive and laid out on sheets to wait to be attached to the panels of synthetic leather. The foam and synthetic leather are initially pressed together by hand. But after this has happened, the layered sheets are sent into a press that ensures that the foam and synthetic leather are stuck together. Traditionally, soccer balls were sewn together by hand, with each ball having 32 total hexagons and pentagons sewn together in a specific order. Now when balls are sewn together, they use sewing machines to speed up that process slightly. Another way of putting together the outer cover is by thermal bonding, where glue is placed by hand around each panel and glued together into two halves based on a diagram. Then the two halves are placed in a machine and the bladder is shoved in one half. The machine closes and bonds the two halves together. The ball needs to weigh between 420 and 440 grams to adhere to FIFA standard. After this, the ball is inflated to ensure there were no punctures in the bladder and checked over once more for any other defects. Finally, the ball is transferred to a packer, boxed up, and sent to ship to stores.